just going to form waves.
Banora Point, NSW News South Wales, Australia, December 18, 2024. The NSW State Emergency Service (SES) is responding to storm surge and flooding impacts across the state's northeast, particularly around Tumbulgum and Tweed. A severe weather warning was issued for the Northern Rivers and Tweed region on Wednesday morning, with total rainfall exceeding 112 millimetres recorded in the 6 hours since 9 a.m.
We got some heavy rain here in Banora. Fucking drains pouring in.
This is meant to be a park.
The heavy rainfall has caused flash flooding, which is expected to worsen with high tide on Wednesday evening. A minor flood warning has been issued for the Tweed River at Tumbulgum, which is currently at 0.92 meters and receding with the tide, but is expected to peak near 1.60 meters on Thursday morning, which could lead to some local road closures. NSW SES Deputy Zone Commander Inspector Scott McLennan urged residents to avoid unnecessary travel if possible. There may be flash flooding on some roads this afternoon across the Tweed, particularly on the highway around 10 p.m., Inspector McLennan said. Roads at risk of flash flooding include the frequent hotspots of Kennedy Drive, Pigabeen Street, Hogans Road and Fingal Road. We have flood rescue operators in the water ready to respond to any calls for assistance during the severe weather.
Down.
People should download the Danger Near Me app and set up watch zones in their hometowns, as well as any areas they may be visiting over the festive period, to stay up to date with the latest warnings and information. Chief Constable Scott McLennan said today's severe weather warning was a reminder that while summer usually brings sunny skies and warmer weather, this is the storm season which can bring severe storms without much warning. Christmas and New Year is always a great time to get away, go camping, head to the beach or just enjoy the beauty of nature, especially in the Northern Rivers, Clarence Valley and across the Coffs Coast, he said.